Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Utomo Valentino Aji Bayu Pamukas, and I'm usually called Bayu. Today, I will present my paper about family urgency toward relationship ethic of primary school children literature review. So, without further ado, I will start it. Family urgency toward relationship ethic of primary school children literature review. So, slide one, introduction. Background. Parental attention is the key to forming children ethic. If their are good, then inner and outer peace will flourish. But if they lose their morals, then outer and inner peace will be destroyed. The current phenomenon is that many minors smoke, steal, and commit various other criminal acts that deviate from social norms and are contrary to the law. So, the background to my paper is the ethical problem of children. With the many deviations that exist, the role of parent in necessary in education and providing attention to their children. And literature review, this behavior is formed naturally as a result of free association that grow in their environment. The casual factor include a lack of parental understanding of the importance of raising children, limited parental resources, and the lack of facilities and infrastructure for children education. So after parents have children, this is their legal obligation to raise and educate them so that the child mindset create boundaries in relationship in order to create parental understanding about parenting and gap studies. Previous research tend to focus on the role of parent. Meanwhile, in this research, the focus in on the loss of the role of parent in children social ethics. This research explores the relationship between the loss of parent role in children growth and development, especially in social ethics and research purpose. The aim of this research to provide additional literature to parents regarding the importance of their role in children growth and development, and to school regarding the importance of providing more supervision to study. And research method, the type of research is a literature review with a systematic review and meta-analysis following the guideline of the preferred reporting item of systematic review and meta-analysis or PRISMA. Several databases that are widely known by research are Google Scholar and Scopus. This review focus on research on the loss of parent role in the social ethic of elementary school children. And in process, existing data are used in Vivo 12 software to make it easier to group existing article into the required data, result, and discussion. On the this slide, I present it in table form. In content, the number of article obtained, the research start by e- elucidating the principal ideas present in each article. An article may include many primary concepts, and there is no restriction on the quantity of article for each nation present. Every primary idea encompasses the aspect that fall under the boundaries of the study. The next slide is also presented in table form, but the number of articles is different from the previous one because in this section the articles that have been collected are grouped again into several them according to what will be discussed. The study yield three prominent them. One, the moral development of children. Two, the impact of family. And three, the parental role. In the next slide, child character. Children character are different, therefore there is a need for intense closeness between parent and children. If the relationship between parents and children is not good, there is a big possibility and children will get lost in sorting out their relationship. Family influence. Children who do not receive attention or are not familiar with the role of parental figure are at greater risk of experiencing behavior that children who receive the love of their parents and loss of parental role. Losing a parent's role has a big impact on the children and development, especially on the child behavior because without the role of parent, it will be easy for negative things to enter into children. Even though the information is easy to enter, children cannot yet choose the positive and negative things. And next slide. Based on the result of obtainment, it can be consulted that the absence of family roles influence children behavior. Children will first lose direction and easily influenced by their peer or themselves cannot differentiate between good and bad action. So by paying attention to children, controlling their interaction, communicate communicating will communicating well and loving children will hear deadly. That more or less that I can say regarding my presentation. Thank you for your attention and I personally apologize if there are any mistake in my pronunciation because I admit that I still need to learn more about my English skill. My final word, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.